guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be recreating this makeup look over here. I actually did this a few days ago and I just loved how it turned out. It is so easy to do. It hardly took me any time and I think it's the perfect date look. Especially if you're in a hurry, because actually this is not a lot of makeup. You will see further. It's not always about the crazy eyeshadow blending and smoky eyes and all, yet it makes an impression. And why I say it's perfect for a date, because it's got those luscious lips going on, it's got the fluttery eyes. In the poll that I took on my social media, y'all also voted for me to recreate this look. So I did it all over again today for y'all. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you're notified every time. Don't forget to do that, and yeah, let's just get into this video. So a quick and easy way to prep your skin is a setting spray. I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. This hydrates your skin and also primes it at the same time. For foundation, I'm going to go in with my True Match L'Oreal foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige. I'm not using any color corrector or concealer today, and so for maximum coverage I'm going to be using a flat brush. It's been so long since I've used one. I mean, since beauty blenders have come out, the brushes have just gone away when it comes to foundation. But yeah, when you want the coverage, brushes are actually really good. And I'm directly going to go in and set this with my Avon setting powder. I love the finish of this. So yeah, like I said, no concealer, no highlighter today. I just feel like I don't need it as it's already covered up a lot. Quick and easy, like I said. So next I'm going to directly go in with my bronzer. This palette is really cool as it has a bronzer, blush on and a highlighter in one. This is the Faces All-Time Perfecting Pro palette. It's in the shade Glow. So when bronzing, if you've noticed, I like to squeeze the bristles between my fingers so that it becomes flat, the brush. And yeah, it just gives a sharper contour. It sort of gives it like a fan effect. Next, going in with my blusher from the same palette, I'm using a thick rounded brush for this. And some color that's remaining, I'm going to just brush it all over my lid. And because I want that natural glow on my face, I'm using the same highlighter. It's got a gold undertone. It's like a champagne undertone actually. Very, very pretty highlight. Coming to the eyes, this is probably the most simplest eye look I've done, but yet so classy. I'm taking the same bronzer that I used from the palette, and you want to use a fluffy brush for this. You want to put this above your lid and just buff it out. And the last eyeshadow is the highlighter from the same palette with a flat brush. That's all I'm going to be doing from my eyes. It's so simple but looks so classy with a winged eyeliner. So this is going as my main lid shade, also my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. With that same brown shade, my bronzer actually, I'm going to be using that on my lower lash line as well. And that's it for the eyeshadows. Moving on to my liner. Now I honestly loved this Makeup Revolution liner, especially for a winged eyeliner. If you find it difficult, I think this makes it so much easier because of the brush being so thin. So for the eyes, the winged liner is actually the star for today, not the eyeshadows. This is going to make the eyes all attractive and just give it that, badass look. For my waterline, I'm going in with a white kajal. If you don't already know, this trick makes your eyes look bigger. And if you pair it up with a kajal halfway like I'm doing over here, it makes it even more bigger. So this is like an illusion. Coming to mascara, now this is an important step. It's all about the lashes as well. I'm using my Chambord Infinite Mascara. I love this one. Just till that's drying, I'm going to do my brows quickly and I'm just shaping them over here using my Deborah Milano 24-hour waterproof brow pencil. Just going to lightly fill my brows. I like to keep it light, not too dark. And now it's time for the lashes. I got these lashes from romway.com and I'm using my duo glue. These lashes come in a pack of 5 and I have a couple of such packs and I have been trying them out and I'm loving them, to be honest. So with all these steps, you can see how big my eyes look. Here I started laughing because I was actually thinking my other eye looks naked. So just gonna dress my other eye as well, and yep, that's it for the eye look. The last and final step is some lip gloss, and this is a tinted lip gloss actually by Bella Voste. I am in love with the 4 shades that Bella Voste has. These lip glosses are actually so pigmented. So one coat is like a proper lip gloss, but if you go in with 2 coats, you don't need a lipstick honestly, and the colors are just beautiful. It makes the lips look so attractive and you just have to carry one thing in your bag. I loved it so much that they actually sent me the other 3 shades. That was really sweet, and I gotta say I have a favorite. This one is the 02 shade and it's so pretty. Got these tiny gold shimmery particles inside that look so pretty in the sun. So yep, that's about it, and with that we come to the end of this date night makeup look.